In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could store fruit in a fruit bag storage here in Sailor Peace on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, what you need to do is open up your inventory over on this left-hand sidebar, check your items, and if you have a specific fruit, go ahead and make sure that you have that one currently equipped as well. But essentially from here, go to storage, and then all you need to do once you're in storage, and it actually bugged out there for a second, is just scroll down on here until you see these fruit bags. Go ahead and purchase a fruit bag that you want to store, and then just select it. And as you can see, it's going to store it just like so. Now you can always come in here and of course go ahead and replace those. It's completely up to you. Just make sure the fruit is actually in your hand before you try and store it, otherwise it will not work. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.